Okay, Slim, Shady. But Alexei, Leonid. I am still a little rusty from my prime days. There we go.
This place is so magical.
It's spiritual vortex.
Yeah, you may not believe in any god, but you still will be spiritual here.
Yeah, it's
Okay, I remember this.
yeah.
This is naughty.
Naughty. Safety first, fun second. Yeah.
Yeah,
This is going to be good educational. We can see your technique if you're doing things right or wrong. But no pressure. Don't be a hero and do anything crazy, because it's not worth it for the YouTube fame. Because sometimes if somebody is recording me, I try to do extra and then it doesn't end well. Thank you to this mountain for letting us ride and enjoy the Sedona beauty. Давай, Алексей, наш local Sedona goat, покажет. Давай, за родину. Woohoo! Dushanbe! That's what I'm talking about. Bragging rights. If it wasn't recorded, it never happened.
Yeah, I actually never had anyone including like this. Oh no.
Oh, Alexei, Alexei. Ну, Алексей, молодец. He likes it extra spicy. Spicy guy. This is just why Sedona is Sedona right here. Open views, just gorgeous. He's gonna jump the rock. I know it. Oh, this wind. It's like 65 degrees or so. It's like perfect. Perfect. Thank you, Sedona weather. The weather gods have blessed us with a beautiful day.
We're going down this chute, right?
We're going up the hill to Cathedral Rock on the left.
Yeah, we go down, yeah. I think we've done this with you. There's no drop, it's on the road. Just pay attention.
Woohoo! Oh my God, this is amazing. Oh, I remember this. I remember this. This is so good. Oh, yes. It's like a bicycle. It's all coming back to me now. It's all coming back. Wow, 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 look at those skills. We are doing the pig, the hog wash. Hog wash. Sedona's like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. Oh yeah, that's the line that we did coming down. Naughty, naughty. Naughty or gnarly, or both?
Or both.
Gnarly, naughty. Naughty, gnarly. It's pretty. Roots. Tree roots. Alexei, I think it was Igor, Misha. is nice. I'm walking it, so. Oh. Woohoo! Whoop. Yeah, only like less. Yeah, he did. Igor, he did this. You can see that in the white line video.
One side first.
Oh, pay dirt finally. This will be the Leonid highlight footage. Oh, goat path.
This is this line.
Yeah, I don't know how they do it. Strong and light. Are you talking about me? Yeah, the views. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a Sedona top 10 moment right there. Woo! On the edge of life and death. Oh, that's spicy. That is spicy, spicy, spicy. It's a Sedona spice. Oh, look at this. Murat picked a kamikaze line. Oh, but he lives. He lives to fight another day. Oh. I think that's my alarm. to open the windows in the house at 2:30. So that means it's 2:30 in Sedona. Woo-wee! Leonid is getting memories for life right here.
Oh my God!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Woo!
So fun.
We got my alarm as a backdrop, as a soundtrack. I don't know if the camera is going to pick it up, but my backpack is alarming. Unbelievable. That was an unbelievable segment.
Yeah.
Wow. That was so cool. Ugh.
That's what I do.
Oh, wow. Look at that. The sun is on the edge. It's unbelievable. Perfect Saturday.
How do you do this?
I usually pause and then I... Okay. Go. Yeah, I think you just follow the white dot if you can see it. GoPro time, GoPro time.